Hello, it's me John, and I will come back back to another video. I'm right here in my beans farm. As you can see, I've come to check on the status of the beans, and I can tell you guys I'm expecting a bumper harvest. Yeah, everything looks nice. So let me turn the camera and show you guys more. So this is how the beans look like. Oh Lord. Yeah. Even I don't know I'm supposed to walk in between. It looks like we are having some problem. Look like there was some bright, so I'll get somebody to spray fungicide tomorrow so that I can be able to control that. But I'm telling you guys, yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This from that end to that, and that the rectangle. It's about half an acre. It's about half an acre, and I planted beans in April. They did not do so well, but I can't complain. At least I got beans. I got them. But the rains were too much. But at this particular time, I expect something nice. Something nice. So let's see what we have here. Oh, they can see they're starting to put in some pods. Starting to get some pods. Let me jump. Look like say somebody was trying to make a home there. Let me jump on the other side. So this side, from that corner, all the way from past that tree, it's about an acre. So we'll see what we get. I'll document what I'll get from this piece. Yeah, whatever I get, I'll be thankful to God because He is the provider of everything. We farmers rely so much on climate, and it's Him who provides rain. Like here, we cannot do any irrigation, so we rely so much on rains. So this is how they look, guys. Yeah. And as I've told you guys before, this farm also have avocados in it. So we put beans, then we leave a space for the avocados, like you can see here, like that. And the beans continue. There are some patches that are not doing so well, like you can see. Looks like it's bright or something. But I'll correct that using fungicide, which I'm also going to mix with the foliar rich in boron, zinc, and also potassium, so that it can enhance flowering. So that's how it looks like, guys. Oh, I'm having it. Yeah. This farm is in Trans Nzoia County, at a place called Kaplamai, that is here in Kenya. And I'm just doing an evening walk inspecting, and also sharing this with you guys. This farm also has advantage and a disadvantage. Some places are very fertile, some places are not. So I don't know, we'll measure. Need to take this soil for testing so that we can know what it actually requires. Yeah. This is one of the parts that does not do very well, but it's not that bad. Funny enough, this is always the first part that get pods. Like, let me show you. Show you. This is always the first part that beans gives me pods. As you can see, it's visible. Like this one. There's a pod. So I always wonder, wherever the vegetative is not much, the beans get pods early. So I don't know, I don't understand. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and I will see you guys on the next. Yeah, there's an avocado. These are the hash type, so they're meant for export. So we'll be doing beans in this farm for about 2 more seasons, 2 more years, and then we'll be done. Avocado will have taken over. So see you guys on the next.